Alright, so we have this hoverboard. I'm going to do a battery mod. I'm probably going to drill a hole somewhere around here. Who knows? But the idea is we're going to use a rechargeable battery that is kind of like a power tool battery. Since this says it's 48 volts. Let's see. Input 29 volts. That's basically like 24 volts. Here's the battery pack. It says here 24 volts, 2 amp hours. But supposedly on 2 amp hours, this hoverboard can go up to 6 miles. So we're going to attach this battery instead of this battery. Not too bad. Anyways, gonna remove all these screws. So many screws. So many screws. Alright, so removed all the screws. Yeah. Sorry, let's do this. Sorry, these are easy. You just go ahead and clip, hold this, and do that. Same thing here. See, I guess it's on. This is already removed. Anyway, this is the battery holder right here. I already removed the battery. These are XT60 screws. Anyway, old battery. Just go ahead and use these dikes. There you go. Amazon has these really cool adapters that connect to cobalt batteries. This is about $10. Basically, it has on off. Sorry, it has an on-off switch and a fuse, and the battery fits right there. It comes with this connector. You open it like this, plug it in, plug your wires in, close it, and they're connected. What we're going to do is we're going to connect this to the XT60 adapter and with this thing, and then plug it in with the battery and see if it works. Alright, battery has been inserted to this adapter, fuse, and switch. Let me adjust that. Connected directly to the XT60 connector. Let's turn it on. And then gotta press this button. Alright, sounds like it's working. It's upside down, so that's why it's beeping. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is gonna put the thing together and maybe drill a hole so that I could I don't know how to attach this thing now. I thought I bought the one with the screw holes in here. Well, I guess I didn't. I'm gonna have to drill some holes then. Haha. Alright. I drilled some holes. Yeah. 3 holes or 2. It's not a science. And then I drilled 2 holes here too. We're gonna attach this here. I'm probably gonna hide this inside of the cavity. Leave this switch left on. Alright, so here's the final product. As you can tell, it's kind of flimsy, and it hits the ground. I'm assuming it'll hit the ground if you're trying to like do a really sharp turn or twist or something. But I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna have to hold it because you'll see. Alright, see, so it's on, it works. Basically, sorry, I only have one arm, but it works when you press on it. I'm not sure why it beeps. I'm assuming it's because the original battery is not connected. And so, it seems to be okay. Pretty responsive. Not sure if it's going to beep the whole time. But basically, when you press your foot down on one side, then it tries to even itself out, right? Same with over here. It tries to even itself out. Whoa. So, might have to rethink where to place this battery. Yeah. So I think that beeping noise is the battery, low battery signal. So what you do is take a jumper wire, attach it from the G to the, I don't know what that is, a V, and voila, done. All right, so after that adjustment, I've decided to screw it up on top of here, and you can see the bolts there. It shouldn't make that noise anymore. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Oops. Let's see. Hold on a second. Alright, so I couldn't figure it out, and so I removed it, but here it is. It's working. Alright, check it out. It doesn't make any more sound, so you don't know when the battery's dead. But you can always check the battery here. I'll show you. Good old Cobalt batteries. Oh, still full. Good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys build one too. I want to see how it turns out for you. The cool thing about these is you can just swap out the batteries. And this is a bigger battery. It's 4 amp hours. The one that came with the machine is 2 amp hours. These batteries are a little more expensive, obviously, but it doesn't have to be this brand. As long as you can find an adapter that's 24 volts to these shop batteries, you can carry a bunch of batteries and ride this thing, I don't know, 50 miles if you want. Let me know if you guys build this and give me a thumbs up. See ya.